Hello and welcome back. So this is Deanship of Graduate Studies at King Abdulaziz University Scholarship program, and this is for Masters and PhD, and this is the date from which we can apply till that date, and this is the online application. So in this video we will uh, check this all process. So this is the link where from we can find the information related to this scholarship. I will add this link in the description of video, so you can easily open this link. So this is fully funded scholarship, you can check there, and here are some other details about this scholarship. So, and this is about Gulf Cooperation Council students, and when we scroll down, so this is for international students scholarship program. So here we can check that non-Saudi students, this is the eligibility criteria, and this is the registration date which we discussed earlier as well. And after that, this is the benefits of scholarship program. This is fully funded and a lot of benefits of this scholarship you can check there. So these are all about the benefits of this scholarship program. After that, we will scroll down, and here are the requirements for applicants. So you have to read about these requirements very carefully. These are general requirements for the admission in King Abdulaziz University for this scholarship program. So these are all about the requirements. So this is an other important requirement of English proficiency certificate or test, and these are the required marks for the English test. So TOEFL or IELTS, again these are the marks regarding this test. So after that, this scholarship is not for and these courses are not included in the scholarship program, so you can check there. These programs are not included in this scholarship program. So after that, this is for MS PhD. If you are applying for MS PhD in Arabic language, then you don't need to put any English test or any English language certificate. And after that, these are the online application required, and these are the general instructions or guidelines. So these two are the contact for if you want to get some further information regarding this scholarship, so you can get information from these two contacts. And here is the list of master programs, so we will have a look on this master programs list. And this is the PhD program list, so let me open. So these are opening. So here you can check the list of masters program. A number of master programs are there, so you can simply open this and check the master programs for which you are applying, it is included or not. So you can check this by scroll down, and these are the master programs for this scholarship. So list goes on, and you can see a number of, I think almost every field included in master scholarship program, as well as in the PhD, same like that. So these are all the PhD programs. But remember one thing, English test is compulsory for this. And after that, here you have to click for apply program, and then the portal will open. So this is the portal, and for the first time we have to click on create your account, and if you have already your account, then you can log in. So I am for the first time creating login. So here you can put email address and confirm email address. After that, put your passport and then confirm passport, and then click on register. So when you click on the register, so your account will be created, and after creating the account, then click on the login. These are the credentials. After registering, these will be sent to your email address, so you can copy from your email address and then log in to your account. So just copy paste from your email address and then paste here your user account and password. So after putting these, click on login and log in to your account. So after the login, you have to put your personal data, your name and all other details in the personal data. And after putting these, then you have to click on education and put your educational details of your previous qualifications. And after that, select your program for which you are applying into MS or PhD program, and then click on the attached file section and upload all your required documents, and then click on confirmation to check the all things are accurate, and then click on submit application. So this was all about the application process of King Abdulaziz University Scholarship Program, and I hope you will also share this video with the others as well, so they can also take benefit from this informative video. Stay tuned for more. See you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.